astonished at how much they absorb in these 2 weeks, and I think you're really going to enjoy tonight's show. We're going to start off with a huge thank you. We were so fortunate to be able to use these wonderful facilities, and Pastor Young and the whole congregation at St. John's Presbyterian have been nothing but super generous and kind and patient overall with us. And so I would like to ask Pastor Young to come forward, please, so we can show him our appreciation.
It was our pleasure on behalf of our Board of Directors, the session, and the congregation to host this year's, to me it's a summer camp of Basque heritage. Is that fair enough? Is that fair enough? Okay. And to be perfectly frank, as an old member of a folk dance club, I'm not going to tell you how many years ago that was. But it was wonderful to see that and to see the students from, my goodness, all over the country. And you, as parents, guardians, steps, whatever, are to be commended for having your children involved in this. My hat's off to you. Well done. Our pleasure to work with you.
Thank you very much. It is now my pleasure to introduce our newly elected NABO President, Felipe Ashrito Garay.
Wow, what a big crowd tonight, and for such a great occasion here in Reno, a very special place for the North American Basque Organizations, which was actually founded here in Reno back in 1973. The original organizational meetings were held here. And actually, I just met one of the founders of NABO today for the first time, Janet Inda, and we were having some good conversations, and she was telling me about the hard work it took to get things going. And when NABO started, it started with just 8 clubs, and just like this Udaleku, it takes a lot of hard work to make good things happen. Today, NABO is a strong federation with 44 organizations, including 2 in Canada. And we do multiple programs, but I have to say that Udaleku is NABO's signature program, and it's really one of our key programs that perpetuates our Basque identity and a celebration of our Basque heritage. Reno has been in the center of NABO's history. The very first Udaleku that was sponsored by NABO was back in 1977. There was one in San Francisco, Boise, and in Reno. And since then, it's been in Reno about every 8 years. And so that's a great support by the Zastiapat Reno Basque Club. So on behalf of the NABO Board of Directors, I wanted to express our gratitude for the Reno Basque Club for again hosting the Udaleku and being a regular contributor. And also for all the families here today to bring your kids from all over the western United States to participate in this important program. And also the host families that really make this happen. Without the host families, we wouldn't have an Udaleku. I also want to thank on our board of directors level, we have Kate Camino and Valerie Arecia that are co-program directors on the NABO level, and we're looking forward 1, 2, 3 years in advance organizing future Udalekus. And also want to thank all the volunteers, instructors, aides, and partners. It's a pretty big list on the back of the program. Minashket. And just to wrap it up, I wanted to give Kate Camino a special Milashket because Kate is the director of this camp in 2018. and I think I've blown out the audio here. But, well, I'll just talk loud. So Kate, she's the camp director. It's a huge responsibility to have all these kids come out here and to get this whole camp organized. And it's her 5th camp that she's organized, 3 in Reno, 2 in Boise. It is Kate.
Thank you so much, Philippe, and thank you all. All right, we're going to get this show rolling, and I'm going to turn it over to, I'm only as good as those that surround me, and we'll take a little time at the end of the program to introduce everybody, but right now, Ane Albizu and Ainoa Marauri are going to take over and enjoy the show. Thank you.
We have studied many things in our escola. For example, introducing ourselves. Nije lozna nais, eta boisi koa nais, urdinia gustatsen sai, banya insai gustatsen orosa. Eta su? Nije alaya nais, eta boisi koa nais, maroya gustatsen sai, banya insai gustatsen laranya. Eta su? Nije mekena nais, eta boisi koa nais, eta urdinia gustatsen sai, banya insai gustatsen belta. Eta su? Nije kata nais, eta boisi koa nais, eta belta gustatsen sai, banya insai gustatsen laranya. Nije njaki nais, eta boisi koa nais, banya belta gustatsen sai, no, banya insai gustatsen naranja. Nije keti nais, eta Bakersfield koa nais, urdinia gustatsen sai, banya insai gustatsen rosa. Eta su?
Ni Sabrina nice eta Sacramento qua nice Morea gustatsen sai banya estate gustatsen belta eta su
Ni Alexandra nice, eta Boisicoa nice, eta urdinia gustatsen sai, banya insai gustatsen belta. Eta su?
Ni Cooper nice, Boisicoa nice, Rosa gustatsen sai, banya insai gustatsen Moroja.
Ni Everett nice. Reno nice. Gustatsen side, Arosha Gustatsen side, Banya State Gustatsen Belta.
Me Marla nice, eta San Francisco koa nice, Morea gustatsen sai, banya insai gustatsen belta.
Ni Mikel nice. Bakersfield koa nice. Vesta Gustatsen side, Banya side Gustatsen Arosa.
Ni Ni Ilan nice, Boisicoa nice, Udinia Gustatsen side, Banya Iskay Gustatsen belta. Ni Remy nice, eta Sacramento koa, Udinia Gustatsen side, Esai Gustatsen belta.
Ni Augustine nice, eta Jackson Hole koa nice, Bersa gustatsen side, banya estai gustatsen Goria.
Ni Ibai nice, Gasteizkoa nice, Berda gustatzen zait, baina ez zait gustatzen grisa.
Ni Mikel nice, eta San Francisco koa nice, urdinia gustatzen zait, baina ez da gustatzen beltza. Many years ago, our families came from different Basque places. For example, my family came from Ainoa. Ni Miguel Nais, Canada Koa Nais, Ni de Aitachi de Ainoa Koada.
Ni Jon naiz, Donostikoa naiz, eta nire familia Gipuzkoakoa da.
Ni Cameron Nice, Reno Koa Nice, Eta Familia Bizkaya Koa da.
Ni Grace Nice, Reno Koa Nice, Etanide Amuma eta Chicha Biskaya Koadida.
Ni Nilana Nais, Chino Koa Nais, Eta Nida Familia Dona Maria Naferoa Koa da.
Nispia Nice, Preston Koa Nice, Etanida Amachi Bashan Nafaroa Koada.
Ni Jameson Nice, Reno Koa Nice, Etanida Familia Dona Maria Koada.
Ni Charlotte Nice, San Francisco Koa Nice, Etanide Amachi Bashan Nafaroa Koada.
Ni Marin Nice, Rockland Koa Nice, Etanida Aitachi Labudvi Koada.
Ni Evan Nice, Marietta Koa Nice, Etanida Familia Dona Maria Nafaroa Koada.
Ni Eric Nice, San Francisco Koa Nice, Eta Nida Amachi Eta Aitachi Bashnafarua Koak Dida.
Me Bachi Nice, Boise Koa, Aita, Aitachi Oses Koada.
Ni Alexa Nice, Seattle Koa Nice, Ni Ramona Biscaya Koa.
Ni Dominica Nice, Salt Lake City Koa da, Eta Nida Amachi Stere Subi Koda.
Ni Evan Nice, Boise Koa Nice, Etanide Achiche Biskaya Koada.
Me Tasha Nice, Boise Koa Nice, Me Tasha Nice, Boise Koa Nice, Eta Aitachi Oses Koa da. Etesu.
Ni Brecken Nice, Boise Koa Nice, Me Aichicha Bizkaya Koda.
Ni Samuel Nice, Reno Koa Nice, Ni de Amuma Biskaya Koada.
Me Anna Nice, Bakersfield Koa Nice, Ni Familia Nafaroa the Gipuzkoa Koa.
Ni Eric Nice, Boise Koa Nice, Ni Familia Biscaya Koada. Ni Nicole Nice, Boise Koa da, Eta Nida Familia Biscaya Koada.
Ni Grace Nice, San Francisco Koa Nice, Eta Nida Aitachi Bashanafaroa Koa da.
We have many Sintavanzas in the Basque Country from different provinces. This one is called Dominguillo, and it's from the Gorulari set of dances. And the metaphor of the Sintavanza, according to Urbet, a famous folklorist from Donostia, is that it represents life. We come into this world attached to the umbilical cord, if you will, of life, and we intertwine with each other, and sometimes we're each other's obstacles. And we weave around each other, but when we go out, we have to go out alone like we came in. And so at the end of the dance, you'll see they'll drop the ribbon and then going on to the next place. So that's the metaphor of Sintavanza.
show. Hello. We have enjoyed our Euskera studies here at ULECU, and we have even learned some math.
Lao.
Bige Lao. Say.
Lao.
Lauge iru.
Kaspi.
Barke Sortsi.
Belerat.
Batke Bat.
BGB.
Lao.
Bige
Lao.
Chaspige Sorti.
Amaratsi.
parts of the body using an interesting method, by moving them. We would like you, our wonderful audience, to please join in and move with us. Thank you. Mugitu eskua, kaisho estate ko. Mugitu eskumuturak. Atera minganye. Mugitu onyak.
Mugitu ipuria.
Mugitu besoa.
Mugitu belariak.
Ireki awa. Mugitu begia. Mugitu belonak. Egin salto. Atera kamboa.
Ilea mongitu.
Atera eta sartu mingana. Begia eskrin eta esken.
Ukitu ninia.
Ukitu fudura.
Ukitu sorbadak orea.
Ukitu trupa.
Mugitu eskuak, agur esateko.
The Basque people call themselves Euskaldunok, which means the people who have the Basque language. They call their homeland Euskal Herria. Basques living outside the Basque country are called the Basque Diaspora. Basque Diaspora Day is celebrated on September 8th. What could you do with your Basque community to celebrate this day? Euskera, the Basque language, not related to any other language in the world. It is the most ancient language in Europe. The tree Granica was a meeting place for the province of Vizcaya. This was where they made laws called Legisera. Granica was tragically bombed on April 26, 1937, during the Spanish Civil War. Now it is a symbol of peace.
Sabina Arana created the Icarina in 1894. He wanted to give it the meaning Vizcaya, independence, and God.
Vizcaya's coat of arms. This coat of arms came from the house of Haro, some of the first lords of Vizcaya. The original emblem was a wolf. A son added one more wolf with a lamb in each mouth.
My favorite part about culture class was learning about how houses got their names and how we got our surnames. For example, we learned that Goyeneche means high house and Itoria means fountain, but also by the fountain, etc.
Athletic was funded in 1898 by the English steelworkers and Basques who brought it back. The club is 120 years old, and they play in Bilbao, Vizcaya.
The club's mascot is a lion, and the stadium's name is San Mamés. New Balance makes their uniforms with the word Cuchibank on the jersey.
Iguskiloria, translating to sunflower in Basque, is a thorny plant that grows in the ground. Its Latin name, Carlina aculis, translates to a thistle without a stem.
According to legend, the world was created without sun or moon. Amalur provided the Basque with the moon, then the sun, to keep away the creatures of the night. However, the creatures would still come, so Amalur provided them with her Aguskiloria. The Aguskiloria protects against evil spirits and storms.
My favorite part of culture class was making the Oma's painted forest. The painters Augustine Ibarrola, and he was inspired by the cave paintings. Thank you for listening.
First of all, while I have Lisa here, she is our culture instructor, our graphic designer. She designed the logo for this year's camp. She's worked tirelessly on these videos. She's the videographer, the photographer, you name it. So if you see her later tonight, please give her your appreciation, because we couldn't do it without her. We're also very fortunate this year because when it comes to this area of the country, Udaleko Nabo clubs are split into 4 regions. Every time it comes to this region, the kids study the province of Vizcaya. And we were very fortunate this year that Argia Beristain helped us out from Basque Soccer Friendly and facilitated the delivery of a jersey from Atletico Bilbao for each one of your campers. Wow. And so we would like to thank her, especially Argia. So you can imagine how thrilled they were to receive that, and I hope it makes it home, because we tried to impress upon them what a privilege that was. And so as an Euskera Ikasto to Athletic Bilbao, we also created a little video that we'd like to share with you.
language, which differ in pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar from each other and from Standard Basque. Between 6 and 9 Basque dialects have been historically distinguished: Biskayan, Gipuzkoan, Upper Navarrese, Lower Navarrese, Laportian, and Sulatin. In modern times, however, Lower Navarrese and Laportian are considered part of a Navarrese dialect. So there would be 5 dialects divided into 11 subdialects and 24 minor varieties.
Standard Basque. Basque, Ishwara, Batwa, or simple Batwa is a standardized version of the Basque language developed by the Basque Language Academy in the late 1960s, which nowadays is the most widely and commonly spoken Basque language version throughout the Basque country. Heavily based on the Central Basque dialect, this is the version of the language commonly used in education at all levels from elementary school to the university, on television and radio, and the vast majority of all written production in Basque. It is also used in common parlance by speakers that have not learned any local dialects, especially in the cities. Whereas in the countryside, with more elderly speakers, people remain attached to the natural dialect to a higher degree, especially in informal situations. Basque traditional dialects are still used in a situation where they always were used. Native Basque speakers speaking in informal situations. While Batwa has conquered new fields for the Basque language, the formal situations where Basque was seldom used, apart from religion, and a lot of new speakers that otherwise would not have learned Basque. To see the difference between the Ishkara Batwa and the Biskayan dialect, here you have the weekdays in both Biskay and Batwa, and another example with the song where we can find 4 different ways to say we are.
Guys, hold on.
And of course, if you know it in Basque, you can sing along.
1 second. 1 second.
To see the difference between Ishkara Batwa and the Biskayan dialect, here you have the weekdays in both Biskay and Batwa, and another example with the song where we could find 4 different ways to say we are. And of course, if you know it in Basque, you could sing along.
Ashtelena, Ashtelena, Astertea, Artitsena,
Ashteke, Ashteskena,
Iguatzana,
Ostebuna,
Eguena,
Ostirala, Larikua,
Larumbata,
Sabatwa, Igandea, Dumeka.
Bye. eta iguzi ondatzen, bagare, bagera, bagire, bagara, euskara azaltzeko oraintxe dugu aukera. Bagare, bagera, bagire, bagara, euskara azaltzeko
Well, first of all, I want to say thank you for eskerrik asko for your children, because we have enjoyed a lot these days, and we hope that you enjoy also. So here we are, all people. Oyana is over there also. Yeah. Okay. I leave you with Carter.
Lingua Vascomo Priamente. In 1545, he published a book in Bordeaux, the Lingua Vascomo Priamente, generally assumed to be the first book ever printed in Basque. It contains a collection of poems, some religious in nature, some love poems, one about his life, some exploring the virtues of the Basque language, and others.
Spellings of the name. His first name is also spelled Bernat or Benyat in Basque. He himself used Bernat. His surname is spelled Extipare in modern Basque, but the variant Dextipare is also occasionally encountered in Basque, or Dechipare in Spanish, both based on the French spelling Dechipare. He himself used Dechipare.
Bernard Dechipare was a Basque writer from the 16th century. He's most famous for his collection of poems named The First Fruits of the Basque Language. He published his first book in the Basque language in 1545.
The following example is the Contrapas, which is a poem that broadly sets out Etchepare's motivation for producing this book and his hopes for the language. Etchepare explains that he is the first Basque writer to have his work published in print. He calls for the Basque language to go out and become more widely known, and for the Basque language to go out and become more widely known upon the world and blaze new trails.
Now, it's written in the Lower Navarrese dialect of Basque, and it uses a French-influenced orthography. And the style of writing and the meter suggests that Etchepare was a bertsolari, which is a kind of Basque poet that produces sung extemporized poetry.
Basiko
Okay, so we had our semifinals, and then we went to our finals, and are we gonna start with first or second? Okay, so second place was, who was it? Who? All right, come on up, boys. Eric Mulia and Pachi Ecuig. Congratulations, boys. And have you heard who our first place winners were? I can't hear you. Okay, Ryan Brooks and Geiska Malone. Congratulations to all of you. We did a Moose tournament through all of our classes. They had to choose partners. We had 2 groups teamed up for every class. So they did playoffs, they all played, and then we took the 2 winners, 2 sets of winners from every class, and then we did a playoff between them. So we had 10 teams total, and we narrowed it down to 5, and we got to 2. So well done.
So first, congratulations guys, you did a great job. I know it's not easy to learn so much material in 2 weeks, but let's give them a big round of applause. Let's give another big round of applause to our teachers. Without them, the camp couldn't have been the success that it was. Again, the Reno Bass Club, thank you so much for agreeing to host and take in our kids. You treated them like your own, for which all of these parents here are very, very grateful. So big round for the Reno Bass Club. So we say that Udaleku is Nabo's greatest achievement. But sometimes I wonder if people really understand what that means. So just humor me for a moment. I would like, not the kids, all of the parents who have themselves been at Udaleku. Can you stand up, please? Stand up. Janet, I saw you sit down. If I can have all of those families who have hosted kids when Udaleku was in their club, can you please stand up? And clearly, all of you have sent your children today. So this is something that continues to grow. Hopefully, you guys, one of these days, not anytime soon, will be standing here watching your kids perform at Udaleku, and you'll be standing here with us going, I know all these parents, and I know them because of camp. One of our greatest advocates for Udaleku was Grace Mainville. Grace Mainville was from Ontario, Oregon, and she acted as, she was the Nabo treasurer for 28 years. She passed away last year, unfortunately. But a scholarship was funded in her name that we decided would go to a child who is in their last year of eligibility for Udaleku. So these are the applicant, it was open to anyone who, this is their last year. This year, it was the first year we did this, of course, and we had 4 applicants. They all wrote essays that expressed what it meant to them to be part of Udaleku and what it meant to them to be Basque American, essentially. And they also gave some advice for future Udaleku members. The winner of the award this year was Gigi Mulia from San Francisco. Daughter, and John Mainville, her husband, who are here to help give us the first annual Grace Mainville. We look forward to being able to do this again next year. But thank you so much. We'd like to again thank the Mainville family for being here. Amaya was part of camp this year, so that was also very special. But it's a great pleasure to be able to honor Grace and not only honor her memory, but to honor her in a way that is moving forward and a living tribute to Grace.
Thank you, Valerie. Saturday the 14th in Gardnerville and in Genoa, hosted by the J.B. Lickenberry, and Mary Louise Lickenberry family. And Anita was kind enough. Come on. We were very fortunate. We were able to visit the museum in Gardnerville that I recommend highly if you have not been there. It's just fascinating, and they have a wonderful collection where Anita gave a talk about how Gardnerville was founded and the various boarding houses that were there. And so if you go down Main Street, Gardnerville, you know, the JT and the East Fork and the French Hotel and the Overland. So she told the kids a little bit about those histories, and then we had a little bit of a walk to visit them. And so we just wanted to give her a special thank you for her dedicating so much time and making that a wonderful day. Okay, could I have my aides, wherever you are? I need you to come up front, please. If you can... I promise you, they really want to get out of here. As you can imagine, with 100 kids, try that I may, I wasn't able to be everywhere. And so I enlisted this wonderful group of older, former campers as my aides. They were my eyes and my ears, and I couldn't have done this without them. They, you know, if you wonder what a Udaleku aide does, anything that they're asked to do, that's what they do. And so we're very fortunate to have had Daniela Tipton, Iraya Cordova came from Donosti to help us out, Sarah McCartney from Reno, Amaya Caballero from Rockland, Brooke Echeverria from Henderson, Jerry Campos from Reno, Janae Campos from Reno. Jessica Moya should not be standing in this line, so we're going to come back to her. Alec Vizcay came to us from the Bay Area. This is another Campos, Jay Campos. And Maya Lynn Peterson traveled all the way from Pennsylvania to help us. Shout out out to Sarah as well because Shush, our dance instructor, doesn't speak English, so she translated for 2 weeks and really, you saw how well they did. Thank you all very much. Jessica, you can stay here. Can I have all my instructors come up, please? I need a hand, please.
Go Jessica! Go Jessica! Go Mom!
Okay, I'm sorry. So, I was very fortunate to assemble what I call my A-team. This is our third camp. This is our third camp that we've all worked together. And, you know, they're just phenomenal. I don't know if your children appreciate each one of these individuals standing here are experts in their fields. I mean, Shush is a dance master in the Basque Country, and Neko is an esteemed Shistulari instructor. I know as well as esteemed musician. Adi Albiso is an esteemed Euskara teacher. Lisa, PhD in Basque Studies, Basque dance, expert in Basque. Jessica, God bless her, thought she was coming as an aide and ended up teaching Pelota for 2 weeks. Monique Mushladi, who has represented her Basque Club at several Moosh tournaments, has taught your kids how to play Moosh, so I hope you all know, because that's all you're going to be doing when you get home. So I just have a little something for them. And these guys go together because Neko and I know our husband and wife.
Cutest couple ever.
We also had the pleasure of their son Ibai, so that was a lot of fun. And also Shush and Nane are also husband and wife. And we also have the pleasure of their son Mateen, wherever he is. Okay, so just one more round of applause for all these hardworking people. Okay, thank you, thank you. So, thank you. If I could have Anne and Carmen and Odette and Dominica, please. Dominica?
Right there, in camera.
Oh, sorry, you gotta lose the camera. Odette? Here they are. Here they are. This is the first time that Carmen has been out of the kitchen in 2 weeks. So, as I said earlier, I'm only as good as the people I'm surrounded by. And this year, I'm overwhelmed. I am so grateful for this crew that when we said that we were going to host this camp, they said, you know, we'd be happy to help you. And so I'm going to start off. Dominica Subiaga stepped up, and she is the one that coordinated all of the housing for everybody. Not only did she coordinate all the housing, but I had her on speed dial. Any question, any time of day, just overwhelmed by her hard work and support. Couldn't have done it without you. Good job. On the other end, we have Andrew Severe, who stepped up to do. She took on the kitchen duties. And so when she said, what kind of food should we prepare? And I said, oh, easy, sandwiches, sloppy joes, taco bars, salad bars. Oh no. They had full-on breakfasts almost every day. They had wonderful lunches. And not only did she work her rear off in the kitchen, but she also worked her rear off and scored so many donations. We had tremendous food donations. We had meals donated. We had cash donated for food. It was just amazing. She just way above the beyond the call of duty, and you should be very happy your kids ate very well. Carmen is Ann's mother, and she was just tremendous. Did not leave that kitchen, and I'd say, what's coming up for snack? Well, she was just baking it. So she worked tirelessly before camp even started, making breakfast burritos, making cakes, making muffins, making you name it, and freezing it. So we really owe her a debt of gratitude. Odette, God bless her, came back. She helped us the last time we hosted camp. Notice nobody else had been here 8 years ago, but Odette was here. And she was also Ann's right hand in the kitchen and stuck around, and if we needed to run errands, we always knew that we were in good hands because Odette was here to help us out at whatever we needed, and we couldn't have done it without her. You're welcome. Thank you all very much. Okay, last but not least, obviously we couldn't do this without host families, and so the kids have all made a present for their host families, so bear with us, and when I call your name, if you'd come up. And kids, when you hear your host family's names, I'd like you to come up and present your present to them, okay? Scott and Odette Daniels. Joe and Lindsay Leones. Paul and Denise Woodinda. Paul and Denise.
So cute. They really did.
Julia Ausmendi.
They're beautiful.
Marijo and Luis. Yana Marie Abnat. Yana Marie. Oh, there she is. Guys, oh, there you are. Sorry. Jalene Porter. Jalene. Chris. Jennifer and Mary Lou Etcheberry. TJ and Miguel. This is going to get a special mention. Not only did Linda Baranchea host children, but she also allowed all the instructors to stay in their extra home in the Galena Forest. And so we are so appreciative of her generosity. Mike and John Moshno.
Take it out there, guys.
Yvonne Griffin. Yvonne.
¿Todo eso?
Sí, todo eso y mira.
Yvonne. Marta and Alicia Tipi and company. Jamie Durkee. Carlos and Annette Campos.
Where's Jamie Durkee?
They are also responsible for all the wonderful t-shirts that your kids are bringing home too. Oh, Mike and Gina Aguirre. Mike and Gina. Tony and Autumn Amantia. Dominica and their brother Gene Subiaga. Mary Jean Snow.
Okay.
Jan. Don and Daniel Vasco.
Get in there. Gene, get in there.
Uncle Gene. I love it.
Just in case.
So cute.
Mike and Janet Inda. You're up.
Tired.
Noel and Ice. Noel.
How much fun. Oh my God. Was that? How is that the same? It's not right. It's not right. It's supposed to be like 15. It's not right.
John and Felicia DeWall.
It's my first win of Christmas. Yes. First day. Yes. Good. That might middle daughter was listening to the best friend. Oh yeah, we are.
Allie, Colin, Dustin?
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, we will.
We need a photo.
Mateo Franzoya? Carol and Joe McCart?
Where's Mateo?
Mateo Franzoya.
Really?
Joe and Carol McCart? Ann Rosenbeer? So I need to add that Ann also had the record. She had 7 kids at her house. Glenn and Mary Stanley? Jeff and Elisa Ross? Enrique and Lisa Korbostegui? And then we have Kate Duino, Manny Villanueva.
I love your dress. That is so cute.
As our fearless leader, we would like to present Kate for the
Oh, sorry, I was getting else. Everyone wants to know.
She was our fearless leader. She was a glue that held us together.
Amen.
Can I pull it out?
Yeah, I do.
God, that is beautiful. Oh, that is cool.
Is that everybody?
Mika. Dominica.
All right, thank you all very much. If you just give us a minute, I just would like to ask you all, make sure that your camper has all their belongings. We're going to need 2 minutes to make an exchange, and I encourage you to stick around to help us kick off the Bass Festival tomorrow with volleyball. Okay, just give us 5 minutes and we'll start dancing.
I think their trees might be in the library.
Oh, I've just been told that their trees, their forests are in the library, so you can pick those up in there. And that's where all their suitcases are as well. Thank you all.